Hey there, I just wanted to create this quick video to show you guys the sheer effectiveness of Powel Snatcher. There are a lot of software programs out there that do not do what Powel Snatcher can do, and I'm going to show everything that this software is capable of. Okay, so for our main features, you can pull leads from different sources. As you can see here, you'll be able to pull leads from Google Maps, Google itself, which means that it's going to pull leads right from Google's search results. Then we've got Yelp, which is like a local review site for businesses where users can leave reviews and recommendations about the businesses that they've dealt with. Yellow Pages, of course, and then we've got the Merchant Circle. Having all these lead sources incorporated into one tool would cost you a fortune just to integrate them into the software. But these 5 sources are integrated into Powel Snatcher at no extra charge, which will make your life a lot easier. Okay, so the next feature that I want to show you guys is the actual offline niche suggestions. So if you type A, you get a list of niche suggestions that you can go over and grab leads. So this is just for the letter A. A lot of niches and a lot of suggestions. No, let's type the letter B. And as you can see, a lot of suggestions here as well. And as you can go down the list of the alphabet, you'll keep seeing more and more niche recommendations. No other software is going to give you offline niches completely handed to you. Powel Snatcher has over 1,600 niches that are already built into the software. Okay, so let's check the advanced options. This is only for those who are in the US. We've created this option for the major cities that are in the US. So let's go to Florida, and it automatically populates all the major cities in Florida, as you can see over here. These are high population cities, so you won't waste your time going after just small cities, because generally there's not a lot of money to be made from small cities. Okay, so generally what we need to do is select the state, the city, and the search source. And for our international users, you would just simply put in your search here in the custom search box. So let's select a niche, and let's say that you want to go after dentists in Tampa, Florida. So let's click search over here. And the software is going to go out and gather all this data that you see here in the box. So let's give it a little bit of time to work. Alright, so that didn't take long at all. What the software did is it pulled the actual category that the business is in, the name of the business, the address, the phone number, and we're integrating a new feature that will go the business owner's actual website to grab their email address, as Google stopped posting the email address of businesses on their Google Places page. So we figured out a way around that so that you can still follow up with email marketing as well as direct mail and as well as cold calling. Cold calling is easier than you think because you don't have to do none of the work. We'll teach how to do this for cheap. See the bonuses below. So it will also show you if the page is claimed or not, and this is a good opportunity to get your foot in the door or to make some quick cash. So if it says yes, then it already says they've claimed their Google Places page. And if this says no, then it means that there's an opportunity for you because we can set up the Google Places page for them and get paid for doing so. Okay, so what we've got left is the ratings, which you can see right here. Okay, so I'm going to stop the software right here because it looks like it's still gathering data. Okay, so we stopped the software, and what I want to show you guys is a filter, so we can filter the results any way we like it. So let's click the filter button here, and let's say we only want pages that are not claimed. So that pulls back the results of the pages that are not claimed, and this means that there's opportunity all over the place to make extra cash from these businesses. And we can also narrow it down by the number of reviews it has, by the rating, etc. And once we implement the new email gathering feature, which will be complete by time this tool is released to the public, you'll be able to filter by gathering only businesses that have an email address, if you're the shy marketer and prefer email marketing. Okay, so let's clear everything here and uncheck the advanced options, and let's try out the Yelp as a search source. All right, so let's enter dentists, Dallas, Texas, and click search. Let's give it a little bit of time to gather the data. Okay, so I'll stop it right there. Now, what it did here is it just grabbed all the results from Yelp, which is a completely different source. So it's also going to give you the address so you can follow up by direct mail. And it's also going to give you the phone number so you can outsource your phone calls if you don't like to do cold calling. Okay, so this is one of the most powerful methods in the offline marketing right now. And it's also going to show you the star ratings of each of these businesses and also the total number of reviews. Okay, so you either filter these by the number of reviews. Usually the least amount of reviews works better because this business is not established on Yelp yet. Powel Lead Snatcher is going to help you automate the gathering of your offline leads so you can focus on contacting these leads for new business. So just to recap, you have 5 different sources to pull leads from. You have the advanced search, so you can select only major cities in the U.S. International users simply enter in niche and country. Then you have over 1,600 offline niches plugged right into the software. Oh, and before you use the software, please check for updates. So if you see any suggestions that need to be made with the software, you're always welcome to let us know, as we want to make this the best offline lead generation software on the web today. All right, guys, thanks for watching.